So in this Air Canada app tutorial, I will be showing you how to change the dates of your flight booking on the Air Canada app. So a few different ways you can do this. The simplest way is to go down to the bottom left, select book, then select your flights right here, and then where it says select departure date, you can kind of go around and play with it. But if you want to view the prices on different dates, it's a pretty simple way. So let's just say hypothetically we're doing a one-way flight. We're going to go from Toronto to Montreal. We're going to go on the 30th. Press continue. So I have the 30th selected. Once this looks good, I'll just go ahead and press economy just like this. I will then search one-way flights. So once you're on this screen right here, you're only going to be viewing flights that are taking place on the 30th. But if you wanted to compare the price, for example, it's pretty simple. So in this case, 278 on this day. Go to the top right, press the pencil icon, and you can choose the date quickly like this. So if you want to see what it's like on the 1st, you can do that. You can search one-way flights just like that. And then your price is going to be updated to the 1st or whatever date that you selected. So once again, go to the top right and press on the pencil icon, change the date, and then proceed that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to change the dates of your flight booking on the Air Canada app. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.